Assalamualaikum, my name is Aska Amir and today I will be presenting my project, which is vehicle license plate detection and recognition using YOLO and OCR. My supervisor is Dr. Asif. So I'm going to start off by telling you a little bit about a problem, and hopefully that will help you understand why I've chosen this specific project. So the problem is there has been an increase in the number of cars that are on the roads these days, which causes in places like Beijing and Los Angeles, even Karachi, to have traffic jams that are hours long. And so we want to really manage cars. And how do we do that? So vehicles की license plates उनकी ID की तरह होती हैं, and if we want to manage cars, we basically need to detect license plates and be able to somehow store them in a database if we want to. So that is where my project comes in. मैंने specifically पाकिस्तान के license plates के लिए अपना project बनाया. So over here you can see that these are 5 different license plates. पाकिस्तान में कोई एक standard style नहीं use होता of license plates. So over here you can see कि यहाँ पे उसका background black है, completely different font as compared to this one जहाँ पे उसका background white है लेकिन there's a logo in between the letters and the digits. And so because of this variability कोई भी machine learning model train करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. So I went out and I created my own data set क्योंकि इंटरनेट पे कोई भी ऐसा public available data set नहीं था for Pakistani number plates. So I went out, I took a couple of 100 pictures, मैंने अपना data set बनाया, I had to clean it and then I trained my model on that data set. So that is basically my project. मैंने project में 2 चीज़ें इस्तेमाल की हैं. One technology is known as OCR, the other is known as YOLO. And OCR basically is just a technology that converts the image of a text, so this is the image of a text, into actual machine readable text. And YOLO is just a computer vision model जो कि हमें जब मैं उसको image दूंगी या मैं उसको एक video दूंगी तो it will be able to detect in that image or in that video where the license plate actually exists. This is just a little bit of the math. Loss function basically just tells us what the difference is between the predicted output and the actual output. And हर machine learning algorithm का एक objective होता है कि we always want to minimize that error that is between the predictions and the actual output, and that is known as optimization. And optimization में मैंने AdamW का optimizer use किया. This is just the machine learning flow. Input हमारे पास आता है. So this is just the pipeline. So मैंने input दिया. This is the output that my model is giving. This is the output that a data set that I just picked randomly from the internet. उधर से उसका ये result है. ये मेरा custom data set model है. And this is the OCR model. So you can see over here input में कुछ भी नहीं है. This is just a car. Output में my model is giving 88% की confidence level के साथ prediction के the license plate exists over here. जो हमारा YOLO मॉडल पब्लिक डेटा सेट से है वो 84%, which means कि कम उसका कॉन्फिडेंस स्कोर है. इट प्रिडिक्ट्स वेयर द लाइसेंस प्लेट इज़. एंड देन आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि OCR से वो बता रहा है कि GAT 938 इज़ द लाइसेंस प्लेट नंबर, विच इज़ एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इट इज़. बेसिकली सिमिलर पिक्चर्स में यही चीज़ हो रही है वेयर यू कैन सी कि माई मॉडल वर्क्स बेटर दैन द मॉडल दैट the data set वाला मॉडल जो मैंने ट्रेन किया था from the public data set. And the reason is because मैंने अपना data set खुद create किया था, so it takes into account the variability of the license plates that are in Pakistan. And just the key observations are कि my data set was smaller, however it was twice as small, however it trained 3 times as fast. इसकी accuracy 97% है और इसकी accuracy 89% है, which goes to show कि my model works better on Pakistani local number plates. And that was my entire project.